Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, via my Google website, how to access the digitized collections of three local art museums: the Nelson-Atkins Museum, the Kemper Museum of Contemporary Art, and the Nerman Museum of Contemporary Art. And then I'm going to also show you how to find those same artworks using Google image search, and how to find them in the highest quality possible, the largest versions of those images online, and then how to print those images so that they are as big as possible on your piece of paper. Okay, so first of all, if you are in my Google site, if we go to Opportunities and Resources, uh, you'll see here there is Area Museums Online Collections. And so these are links that you can click on. And I actually already have the links open up here. So I'm just going to show you each museum's collection page and how you navigate it. So here's the Nelson. You'll see here we have various collections: African, American, American Indian, and so on, down through the Sculpture Park, Modern Contemporary, etc. And then if you click on one of those collections, you'll find some information about the collection, but then some of their most famous works. Here, let's click on this really famous Dorothea Lange photo. And here you can get some basic information about the work. Usually from museum websites, you cannot get a high-resolution photo, high-resolution file of the artwork, so you'll have to go to the museum to find the information about the artwork, to choose an artwork you like, but then go to Google to get an actual usable file for printing and research and art projects you may want to do. Okay, so that's the Nelson. If we go up to the Kemper, it looks like this. Once again, various collections. Here we'll go to sculptures, a bunch of their famous sculptures, a few different pages here. Okay, and then if you click on those, go to this one, you get a decent sized photo. But once again, some basic information about the work. Okay, which you can also get from this page. All right, and then finally, if we go to the Nerman, similar sort of interface, collections. Here we go, Latino, clay. And let's go ahead and we'll go to painting. And we'll use a painting from the Nerman's painting gallery to find on Google. So let's go with this. What is this? I like this weird painting. Okay, so here we can see, once again, decent sized photo, but we might be able to find a bigger, excuse me, higher resolution version of this painting on Google. So we're going to try that. So here we have Carl Worsam, the painter. Title of the painting, Left in the Dust. I'm just going to try and copy and paste that. Okay, Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go to Google, which I already have open here. I'm going to paste that. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay. Got a bunch of extra information here. We'll delete all that. Okay. Search. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, so here we are in the web. You can see that painting coming up, as well as some other paintings, presumably by Carl Worsam. On Google, you can never be sure, but these look pretty similar, right? We're going to go to images. Okay, and something that can be really useful when you're trying to find high resolution images, like you want to use Google and you want to get an image that's going to be large, it's going to print really clearly with a lot of detail. What you can do is go to Search Tools, Size, and change it to large. And then it will ensure you get images that are in the thousands of pixels wide, so they're not tiny and whatnot. there's our painting, and coincidentally, this one is actually from the Nerman Museums website. So, somewhat in contrast to what I was saying. You never want to print from your web browser because that's going to make the image small on your 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and usually it'll throw it up into the upper left-hand corner. So, whenever possible, drag that high resolution image to your desktop, um, open it up there, and then print from whatever your photo viewer program is. I'm not really sure on how printing from your iPad at school works. I suppose what you would want to do if you're working from your iPad is you would save the image to your photos on your iPad and then print from there. And hopefully that will print it full page. Okay? If not, it may not be usable and you may need to print that artwork from a computer. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. Once again, you start out on my Google site, and there you can access our three local major art museums, the Nelson-Atkins, the Kemper, and the Nerman. You can access much of their collection and find some really cool artworks that will be interesting to you.